everyone. Welcome to another one of my Science Insights. This setup is a confocal microscope. This is a microscope that can detect green fluorescent protein and other fluorescent molecules in living tissue. This is the computer setup. See, it kind of looks almost like the cockpit of a vehicle or plane. And this is the microscope itself. It's kept in the dark because it's light sensitive. Now, let's look at some Nicotiana benthamiana cells under the microscope. What we are seeing here is green fluorescent protein illuminating the cytoplasm of the plant cells. The red dots are chloroplasts. They have a lot of autofluorescence. The green fluorescence shows the green fluorescent protein localizes to the cytoplasm of the plant cells. You can see how the cytoplasm is in long strings going across the plant cells. It's a beautiful sight, almost like a galaxy in the deep space. Thank you for watching and stay curious about plants, everyone.